Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off or how to disable speech recognition service on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off or disable speech recognition service on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left pane, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down. Here you will find Speech. Click on Speech, and here you will find an option Windows Speech Recognition, and now it's turned on. Just click here to turn it off. Now speech recognition service in Windows 11 computer is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.